Hi, my name is Marcel. I have been in severe pain for over 13 years. The pain was crippling. I have from time to time been on crutches, been in a wheelchair because of the severe joint pain that I've had in my legs. I was getting severe joint pain in my hands as well, to the point where I couldn't bend fingers or lift my arm or able to reach the back of my neck to be able to shower and clean myself. I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, gout, 50% kidney failure, and taking very, very powerful pain medication. It was a catch-22. I wanted to get off the pain medication, but yet I couldn't. I wanted to help my kidneys, but I needed the pain medication because of the crippling pain that I was in. I also had severe constipation. I had very bad depression. Actually, after testing with Dr. Jowdy, I realized I did not have rheumatoid arthritis. I did not have gout. I was diagnosed with Hashimoto's disease. That was something that I never even heard of before. After reading up on it and after Dr. Jowdy's coaching, he's been able to help me with understanding what it was and what it is and how to treat myself and how to get treated for it. I had severe inflammation throughout my whole body. My face was twice the size. At times my eyes were so swollen I couldn't even apply the makeup that I wanted to apply to my eyes. I had swollen fingers all the time. I wasn't able to do anything intricate with my hands. I'm a chef and I wasn't able to use a knife properly because of the swelling in my hands. I had swelling in my whole body, my chest, my stomach. My stomach looked like I was about 6 months pregnant. Swelling in my knees would lock up in pain. After sitting for over an hour, I would get locked knees, and this is something I haven't been feeling after treatment. I totally gave up on medical doctors. I didn't see that I was feeling any better. The only thing that made me feel better were the prescription drugs that I was taking to make me feel better. So I was seeing a pain specialist, I was seeing the head of the rheumatoid department, and I was getting no relief, nor was I getting any answers. This went on for many years, probably 12 to 13 years, and I totally gave up on the whole medical field. I have been speaking to my brother over the past 5 years about coming out to visit Dr. Jowdy. He had been out to visit the doctor, and I kept putting that off because I didn't think that there was a miracle worker, and I didn't think that anybody could actually help me. I had given up on everybody. But because this was a different technique and physical wellness, I wanted to try it, and I thought that I had no other choice. I didn't want to have any more happen to me after knowing that I had 50% kidney failure. I wanted to make sure that I could get well, have a meaningful life. I have a new grandson that I wanted to keep around me and enjoy his company, and I felt like this was my time to take care of me. Absolutely. And in doing that, with Dr. Jowdy, he was able to answer a lot of questions in a lot of areas that never got covered. In Hashimoto's disease, there's one part where you become hoarse. Well, I did become hoarse for about 6 months. And I did see my doctor at that time, and he told me that I had inflammation of vocal cords. And Dr. Jowdy figured it out in just a matter of an hour, I think it was. It was my first visit to him, and I had no testing done from where I was coming from. And he sent me out for testing, and he knew what to send me out for. And he knew what answers he was going to get and what he was looking for. When the testing came back, that's when we found out about the Hashimoto's, and that made so much sense because I had been going through so much, and every single detail of Hashimoto's was a checklist that I had, that a question that I had for Dr. Jowdy. I feel like this type of physical care is really important because as I was going along, everything that he was doing, his whole technique, he was explaining to the T. He was explaining fully why he was doing it, what it would do for me, and the effect it would have on me. I never experienced a doctor that had that kind of bedside manner, or that really cared for a person's wellness in that way. He was able to tell me what to expect that day after certain applications that he had done on me, and he was able to tell me how I would be feeling with this application and why he was doing it. And like I said, every time he did an application, he actually took me to the wall and showed me his drawings that he had and his pictures and all the mapping of the nervous system, and explained to me what actually was happening with me and why this application was good for me. And so in a nutshell, I feel like a new person. I feel like I have a chance to live my life now. I feel like I can enjoy my grandson, and I'm so happy that I finally made this move after 5 years. What I really want to get out there is this word. For those of you who feel like you're in a slump, you feel like there is no answer for you, you've given up on everything, you've given up on the whole medical system, you've given up on doctors and other neurologists and other areas of the medical field, give yourself a chance, one more chance, and come out and see Dr. Jowdy. Have a consult with him and let him tell you what's really happening with you, and give yourself a chance to enjoy your life the way I'm going to enjoy mine.